What's happening YouTube? I'm Aaron, welcome to Lowe's Joinery. In today's video I'm going to be turning this ply into the apple of your eye. Hello YouTube. So, my name is Bond, James Bond. Only joking. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I've got a scrap bit of ply and I've decided to use this little beauty right here. Yeah, I'm going to use that lathe. As you can see, I'm absolutely mad on the lathe. Because yeah, I've got some new tools. Check out these. Solid walnut, square shaft, carbide, finest quality on the market. Should be with the price. Only joking. Now, there was a bargain really. All handmade, requested what style I wanted, and boom, they was in the post ready. So I'm really happy with that. I'll put a link in the description where I got them from. Got three of the bad boys, square, round, and a little detail bit. I got them from a chap. He's on YouTube as well, WH Creations. I'll keep saying it. I'll put a link to his channel and his website, wherever you can buy anything like that from. And so I've got some of that. Headstrong, boys. Now, this is an abrasive paste. Look at that. And it smells like nothing. Like nothing. Like nothing. So I'm going to be trying that on this little project. But yeah, fair play for sending me that, mate. Much appreciated. If you're watching this. Now, I think it's probably going to be more Granny Smith than a pink lady. But yeah, I'm absolutely, totally addicted to the lathe at the minute, guys. I've turned this mallet, and this mallet, and this mallet. Not forgetting the plywood mallet. Oh, there's this solid oak one as well. Not forgetting the log to a mallet. That one's turned out lovely, ain't? Stop rambling on. Gonna glue all this plywood together, set it in the clamps, and then... So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Sit back, chillax, and I will catch you at the end. And hopefully I'll be holding an apple or two. But that'll be a pear. Let's get going. There's enough clamps on there. Okay then folks, so what? Well, this bloody thing looks like it's come from the Alien film, doesn't it? Look at that. Oh, so while that's drying, I'm gonna do what any decent English man would do in a situation like this. Go and have a cup of tea. Okay then, folks, so got the bloody hell, look at that. Oh, bad technique. Yeah, so we've got the apple shape coming now. Obviously, put the stalk in there. What I'm going to do now is just thin this down a bit more so I can get my chisel in at an angle and start skewing that in, getting that in a bit, and then we'll cut it off, well, sand it, do some finishing, and it should look good enough to eat. Let's crack on. Now, let's do the fun part. Sanding, said no one ever. Oh yes, look at that. That is the biggest apple I've ever seen. Apart from the one that was on my first girlfriend. Her Adam's apple was huge. Sanded that up to 240 now. I'm going to move on to the next stage, I think. Don't worry, I've got an idea for this. It's not going to be wasted. Going to put the next stage on. We're going to get this parted off with the parting tool, even though I don't even know which one is. With the parting tool. Get a stalky walkie for end. Get some finish on this bad boy. Okay then folks, so video finished, what do you reckon? I think it's turned out a-okay, to be honest. Really, I absolutely love the ply. Like, I just love plywood, to be fair. I mean, I wouldn't love it enough to buy it. The only reason I've gone with plywood is because it was free. And a quirky little feature. This is some cherry, so I've put a cherry on top. But yeah, it's quite a big one. In all honesty, I had a little bash last night, and I'd done one, but it didn't turn out very good. If I get a chance, I'll post a picture at the end, just of a few little stills of what I've done. But this one has turned out AO amazing. So yeah, this is definitely the apple of my eye. So I hope you like the build, folks. Trying to mix it up as much as possible. I have got a build video coming out very soon, and it is absolutely, I think it's quite a special one, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I'll let you know which one it is anyway. I'm absolutely digging the lathe. The tools, I'm still getting used to them. I mean, they're nice and sharp, they cut through that. I think the motor on the lathe was letting me down a bit more. I'm still using the old tools as well, and I just get them sharpened up as well, and they seem to cut through quite fast. But apparently this dulls the bits because of all the rubbish that's inside them. But obviously decent dust mask, face mask. I had the vacuum on when sanding, as you've seen. Don't worry, this is not going to go to waste. I've got a bit of a plan for that, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. As always, thank you to all the new subscribers. I hope you're loving the new content. I've just recently done a poll. It's split between yes, you love it, and Aaron, shut the heck up and just video some more cool, amazing things. So that's what I'm doing. Oh, it's cold. So folks, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, which you probably have, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Hit that bell icon. It'll let you know whenever I put something new up. I'll chuck some stills up at the end. Hope everybody has a lovely weekend or whenever you're watching this in the week, and I will catch you on the next video. See you later, folks.